Mr. Chairman, what's the best way to make quick cash in the game? If you're after quick money, look for a courier with a loaded truck. A couple of precise shots, and the loot is yours. Sell it to the reselling shop. And if honest work is more your style, driving a cab is a respectable job, though maybe not as thrilling as a good old-fashioned heist. I'll put it this way. Sometimes, having reliable people around is like having a solid rhythm section in your favorite track. In Novigrad, a gang can be your support, covering you when things get tough. But keep in mind, dear friend, this comes with risks. Gunfights with other gangs and constant police chases. The choice is yours, but stay sharp. This life isn't for the faint-hearted.
Только посмотри, асфальт горит. Каждый миг это шанс обрести свои мечты.
Frank Chairman on Corleone Radio, where the real music of the 60s plays, and we're answering your questions. Frank, do you think joining a gang is a good idea?